Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you set up a pin code for your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to create a pin code, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the application, just simply tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there and choose your profile. Now, after choosing your profile, you will get to see this security section. Simply select security section and scroll down to all the way bottom until you see this option of pin code. Now simply select pin code and after that tap to start button. Now just simply tap to next button and after that you will get this section where you will get this QR code and this code to copy. Just simply do that and after that paste this code to any of your authenticator applications such as Google Authenticator. Then the code that you got into Google Authenticator, you just simply have to paste that code into this box. And after entering the code, tap to next button and your pin code will be enabled for your Bitget account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.